In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Notion. We're going to connect the two using a Trello power-up so your boards can sync with your Notion workspace. I'll keep it simple, clear, and focused on exactly what you need to do. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your boards. Once you're in, head to Boards. You'll find it in the sidebar or at the top, depending on your layout. This is where all your Trello boards live. Choose the board you want to connect to Notion and open it. Pick the board where you want cards and updates to stay in sync. If you're working in a team workspace, make sure you have permission to add power-ups to that board. Inside the board, look for the power-ups option. It's typically in the top toolbar, or you can open the board menu and you'll see power-ups there. Click it to open the power-ups panel. Next, click Add Power-Ups to open the power-ups directory. This is the marketplace where you can browse and install integrations for your board. Use the search bar and type Notion. You should see results related to Notion integrations. The one we want is called Notion plus Trello two-way sync. Click that option to open its details. This integration is designed to mirror information between Trello cards and Notion databases, so updates flow both ways, helping keep statuses, due dates, and other fields aligned across tools. Click Add to install it on your board. Trello will attach the power-up to the board you have open. In many cases, you'll see a confirmation or an enable button after the first add. Go ahead and click Add again if prompted to finalize the installation. At this point, you may be asked to authorize the connection. Just follow the on-screen instructions to grant access in Trello and in your Notion workspace. Use a Notion workspace where you have the right permissions to connect databases. That's it for the setup inside Trello. You'll now see the Notion plus Trello two-way sync listed under your board's power-ups. From there, you can open it to review available options, choose which Notion database to connect, and adjust sync settings as needed. If you don't see the power-up, refresh the board and try again. Also keep in mind that some Trello plans limit the number of power-ups per board, so you may need to disable another one first. You've successfully integrated Trello with Notion using the Notion plus Trello two-way sync power-up. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.